everyone, and welcome to Thursday Books and Babies. I'm really happy you could join me today for some stories and rhymes and songs. We'll get started with our hello song. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Great job. Let's do one more. We'll do everybody wave hello too. Everybody wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. Everybody wave hello. Let's have some fun. Everybody stomp your feet, stomp your feet, stomp your feet. Everybody stomp your feet. Let's have some fun. Everybody clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Now our song is done. There we go. And looks like my kitty Knox is going to make a visit today. So today's books are all about fish and the ocean and lakes and all of our water friends and creatures that live in the water. So it should be kind of a fun day. We are going to start with I'm the biggest thing in the ocean. I'm a giant squid and I'm big. I'm bigger than the shrimp. And I'm bigger than these clams. I'm bigger than this crab. And I'm bigger than that jellyfish. I am bigger than these turtles. I'm even bigger than this octopus. I'm bigger than that shark. Shh. I'm the biggest thing in the ocean. Uh-oh. That looks a little bigger than our giant squid. Looks like he has an idea. I'm the biggest thing in this whale. Alright, the end. Let's do a couple nice opposite songs that we're going to start off with. This is big, big, big. Ready? This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is short, short, short. This is tall, tall, tall. This is fast, fast, fast. This is slow, slow, slow. This is yes, yes, yes. This is no, no, no. Great job. Let's do our other favorite opposite song that we like to do around here, and that's Roly Poly. We're going to do the same motion. Roly poly, up, 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 up. Roly, roly poly, down, 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 down. Roly poly, poly, roly poly, out, 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 roly, roly poly, roly, roly poly, in, roly poly, roly poly, fast, 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 roly, roly poly, roly, roly poly, slow, 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 slow. Great job with those two. All right, so we're gonna go from the ocean to something a little more freshwater. And also a nice little nonfiction book from the American Museum of Natural History, and we're going to learn all about From Tadpole to Frog. All right. A frog goes through many changes in its life cycle. Let's learn more about this transformation. A mother and father frog lay thousands of eggs. A frog hatches from an egg, but it doesn't look like a frog yet. It's a tadpole. The tadpole lives underwater and uses gills to breathe. Its long tail helps it swim. The tadpole eats small plants and algae. It grows and grows. Let's see it grow here. So we have a little tadpole. Soon, tiny legs start to sprout. Can you see the legs? Let's see what happens next. And the tadpole's tail begins to shrink. He's looking a little more froggy. The tadpole grows arms and turns into a young frog called a froglet. All right, I think he's still transforming. This froglet is almost ready to leave the water. Its tail is just a tiny stump, and its gills are starting to disappear. The metamorphosis is complete. There's a big word for our day, huh? The tadpole has transformed into a small but fully developed frog. Instead of gills, the frog now has lungs. The frog swims in the pond. Frogs are amphibians. They live both on land and in the water. After 2 years, the frog is finally an adult. It eats insects, snails, and worms. The frog hop, hop, hops away. And great listening. Let's do a very fun, kind of silly song, but we're going to do with the little green frog. All right, ready? Went the little green frog one day. Went the little green frog. Went the little green frog one day, and they all went But we know frogs go sha-na-na-na-na, sha-na-na-na-na, sha-na-na-na-na. We know frogs go sha-na-na-na-na. They don't go Great job. Should we do it with the little fish too? Bloop, bloop, went the little blue fish one day. Bloop, bloop, went the little blue fish. Bloop, bloop went the little blue fish one day, and they all went bloop, bloop, bloop. But we know fish go kissy kiss, kissy kissy kiss. We know fish go kissy kissy kiss. They don't go bloop, bloop, bloop. Great job. That's kind of a fun, silly one to do every once in a while. All right, we're gonna go back closer to the ocean. We're gonna go back to a day on the beach. Sun and sky and shore and boy. Sand and pail, spade and toy. Dig and fill, pat and bake. Boy makes a birthday cake. Splash, crash. Oh no. That doesn't look too good. Uh-oh. Cake smashed. Boo-hoo. Yoo-hoo, says Mom. Lunch, munch, lap, and nap. In dreams, boy sees sun and sky and shore and sea. Great listening. Let's do our 5 senses song, since that song had a lot of great sensory details on what happens and what they hear and see. So we're going to celebrate that with our 5 senses song. We're going to go through all 5 of our senses. Ready? 5 senses, 5 senses, we have them, we have them. Seeing, hearing, touching, tasting and smelling. There are 5. There are 5. Great job. So our 5 senses are: we see with our eyes, we hear with our ears, we can taste with our tongues and our mouths, we can touch with our fingers and even our feet if we're out on the beach like the boy in the story. Should we do it one more time? Alrighty. 5 senses, 5 senses, we have them, we have them. Seeing, hearing, touching, tasting and smelling. There are 5, there are 5. Great job. Alright, let's do one more rhyme before our next story. Ready? Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a little clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Lay them in your lap. Roll them, roll them, roll them just like this. Wave them, and blow a little kiss. Great job. All right. Our last story is going to be Smile, Pout, Pout, Fish. There we go. Smile, Mr. Fish. You look so down. with your glum glum face and your pout pout frown. No need to be worried. There's no need to be sad. No need to be scared or mad. How about a smooch and a cheer up wish? Now you look happy. What a smile, Mr. Fish. All right, the end. Thank you so much for joining me today. That was really fun to read some books and songs and stories with you. Hope you have a wonderful week, and we'll be back with a brand new Books and Babies next Thursday. Hope to see you then. We'll finish with our goodbye song. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Bye, everyone.